Welcome back to Favorful Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. So, at this time, we will be engaging in a visualization meditation for inviting justice and restoration. This visualization meditation is called the Circle of Truth. So let's get started. We'll begin with the breath, inviting you to close your eyes gently. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and holding it for a moment. And exhaling that breath slowly through your mouth. And then again, inhale. Pausing it at the top and exhale. And with every breath, invite calm into your body. Call it in, allowing the tension to just melt away. Some of the signs you may see is your shoulders dropping, your jaw unclenching, your eyebrows relaxing, your tongue is just relaxing inside of your mouth, your spine is lengthening, your heart is softening. So now we invite you to bring your awareness to your feet, imagining strong roots extending from the soles of your feet down deep into the earth. These roots connect you to your truth, your integrity, and divine justice. With every inhale, draw up within you grounding energy. And with every exhale, release pain, any confusion, and the need to control outcomes. I invite you to take another breath as we enter the circle of truth. Visualize yourself standing in a sacred circle. This circle is radiant. It glows with soft golden light. Inside this space holds only truth, only justice, and divine alignment can exist. Nothing false or harmful can enter into this space. This means you are safe. Notice that around you stand the ancestors, the spirit guides, and the protectors. Know that they witness all, and they on your behalf advocate for your justice. Simply breathe into their presence. Simply breathe into their presence. And with each breath, gently invite forward the areas where justice is needed. Maybe it's with family, See faces, hear voices, feel past or even current tensions. Observe it, but be a part of it. It is not you, you are not it. You're simply a distant observer of what is. Now visualize these threads being untangled by light, freeing you from the faces, freeing your ears from the voices, freeing yourself from past or current tensions of the bloodline of your family. Maybe it's with friendships. Allow yourself as a distant observer to feel into the betrayal, feel into the distances that may have grown apart, or miscommunications and misunderstandings. See it, but know that it is not you and it is yet your truth. In that truth, let a wave of peace begin to wash through each connection, purifying the connection, cleansing the connection, and protecting you in the connection as the peace washes over the betrayal, distance, miscommunication, or misunderstanding. Maybe it's with community. Allow yourself to sense any disconnection, prejudice, or harm that may have happened with and inside of your community. Watch this energy begin to rise into a soft flame, transmuting and transforming into opportunity, equity, and healing. Breathe that in. Washing away, purifying, and cleansing any disconnection, prejudice, or harm. Maybe it's with career or a calling within your life. See that career and calling very, very, very clearly. Now visualize barriers breaking down. Injustice, undervaluing, any sense of unworthiness or misunderstanding simply melts away. Now revealing clarity and rightful recognition. Maybe it's from a sense of personal harm or danger. And if this is the case, we invite you to see a golden shield rise around you. This shield reflects harm away and attracts to you protection, truth, and accountability. Now silently or aloud, we invite you to speak these affirmations. I am aligned with truth and protected by justice. What is meant for me cannot be taken from me. All harm done is being corrected with compassion and clarity. I release vengeance and welcome divine resolution. I stand rooted in my worth, my voice, and my purpose. Let justice roll down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream. Ashe. Now see a brilliant light descend over the entire circle that you've created. This light seals your intentions. It reinforces your shield, and it clears the energy of all situations. Feel the warmth in your heart as everything heavy begins to lift. You are witnessed, you are supported, and you are not ever alone. We invite you to begin to bring awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling with a sigh. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. If you have accessibility to a journal, we invite you to journal about what came up for you during this visualization meditation. We invite you, as the artist that you are, to draw the circle of truth and write your intentions within it. Anoint yourself with essential oils like frankincense or lavender. And ask, out of clarity and in support of emotional release, in what area of my life am I most desiring justice or truth right now? In what area of my life am I most desiring justice or truth right now? What energy or belief am I ready to release to make space for healing? What energy or belief am I ready to release to make space for healing? What would restoration feel like for me in this situation? What would restoration feel like for me in this situation? What action, if any, am I being called to take to support this alignment? What action, if any, am I being called to take to support this alignment? And last prompt, what words or affirmation came through during this meditation? What words or affirmations came through during this meditation? Thank you so much for joining us for this visualization meditation. We invite you to go and drink water or herbal tea, journal your responses, and draw your circle of truth. and revisit this meditation weekly or when you feel energetically imbalanced by conflict or harm. Continue to flow in favor, peace,